What's up, YouTube? So, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a different method of starting seeds. It involves paper towels, baggies, the seeds, a napkin, some scissors, and water. So, what you want to do, you want to cut the napkins. The size of the napkins, I find if you have them, the smaller they are, the smaller the square you cut, the better, because depending on how long you let the seed sprout in the bag, the longer the root will be. And if you have a big ass napkin, the root might end up somewhere. It just makes more sense to cut it smaller. Just cut them small. I found that out. Otherwise, you'll probably cut the root, and you don't want to plant a half of a napkin in a soil. It doesn't make sense. So yeah, cut the squares smaller. The smaller the better, at least in my experience. So yeah, I find that starting the seeds in these baggies is a lot more helpful if your seeds are older, because you can see when the seed actually sprouts. If you sow them directly in the soil, you have to wait, and you don't know if the seed is actually sprouting until X amount of time has passed. Really? I'm not starting this audio over. Guys, I'm into the market, and that's what that was. The market closed at the time of this video. This is real life, fuck it. So, yeah. If you sow the seeds directly in the soil, you won't know if that seed has sprouted until you see something pop out the dirt. Inside the baggie, you can see within a couple of days if the seed failed to sprout or if it sprouted. So yeah, this method is quick enough. It's very simple, and try it. Shit. Yeah. Bye. Thanks for watching my video, and bye for now.